Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to easily stay up to date with the latest YouTube Studio news on your PC. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. Step 1. Open YouTube Studio, your go-to hub for managing your YouTube channel. Step 2. On the right corner of the screen, you'll notice a section labeled New. This is where you'll find the latest YouTube Studio news. Step 3. Click on Check Them Out to access the latest updates, announcements, and features from YouTube. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to see your latest YouTube Studio news on your PC. Staying informed about the latest developments on YouTube will help you optimize your channel and make the most out of your content creation journey. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more YouTube tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way.